Hi everybody, this is Mr. Pinniger in the music room bringing you a lesson on note values, okay? As you can see on the board here, I've got lots of different notes and we're going to talk about what their values are, okay? What their names are and what their values are, okay? Now, what do I mean when I say note value, okay? It's a very important word, value. Say value. Good. The value of a note, okay, means how long the note is played for, how long it lasts for, okay? Some notes are very long. For example, some notes are very short. Okay, so we've got long notes and we've got short notes, and all of these are telling us whether they are long, short, or somewhere in the middle, okay? And what I'll do is I'll play a short piece of music on my instrument here, my recorder, okay? And I want you to listen out for when I play some longer notes, okay? Now, it's not very long, and at the end of each phrase, okay, there are some longer notes, okay? So here I go. Okay, did you hear some of the longer notes in there? And then the rest of them were shorter notes, playing the rhythm, or the pulse, should I say, along, okay? So I just wanted to model for you how long and short notes work together with each other, okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to look at how we read and understand how those note values work. Okay, so I'm just going to put this down here, like that. Okay. So, okay, in music, we start with our biggest note value, okay? And our biggest note value, we're putting at the top here, okay? It's this one here. And it is called a semibreve, okay? And it is also called a whole note. Whole, W-H-O-L-E, meaning whole, all, okay? It is a whole note, like a whole pizza. I've got a whole pizza in front of me. I'm going to eat it all, okay? That's how we think about this note. It's a semibreve or a whole note, and it is our biggest note, okay? And in this situation, because we're working with 4 beats in a bar, 4 crotchets in a bar, which we'll come to, okay? This note lasts for 4 beats, okay? So it is played for 4 beats, okay? So, for example, I'll count to 4 and then I'll play that semibreve. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So I counted 4 as I was playing it and then I ended it. Okay, so that's our whole note, that's our semibreve. Okay, now, if we take our whole pizza and take a nice pizza wheel and divide a line down the middle of our pizza, what have we got? What do we get if we take a whole pizza and cut it in 2? We get 2 halves, okay? We get 2 halves of pizza. Well, that's what's happened here with our whole note. What we're doing is we're splitting this in 2, okay? We're dividing it in 2, and it gives us 2 notes here, okay? 2 halves, okay? And they are known as half notes or minims, okay? And they last for half each the value of a whole note. So what is 4 beats divided by 2, or 4 beats split in half? 2. The value of these minims is 2 each, okay? 2 beats, 2 beats. And those 2 beats together equal 4 beats, which equal the same as the whole, okay? And they are played like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now I've gone from playing one long note that lasts for 4 counts or 4 beats to 2 notes, okay, that last for half the time each, okay, but still fill up the entire space of my 4 beats, okay. I'm going to play them together. I'm going to play that one, then I'm going to play those two, okay. So I'm going to play my semi-breve and I'm going to play my minims from the top, back to back. So count myself in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So play 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You following? Okay. Now, next, I'm going to get my pizza wheel. Okay? And I'm going to divide the half that I've already made, okay, into another half, okay, or split it into 4, into quarters, okay. And that, if I apply that to my notation here, if I split that in half and I split that in half or divide its value by 2, I get 2 more there and 2 more there, and which is a total of 4, okay. And these are called, and I know most of you might know this already, these are called crotchets. Can you say crotchets? Crotchets. They are also known as quarter notes. Quarters, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 quarters, and those 4 quarters are equal to the whole. Okay? They all, 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters add up to one whole. Okay? So you see how this works now. Okay? So, I'm going to play my semi-breve, my minims, and my crotchets, so you can hear how they fit together in time. Okay, we're going to come to this bit last. Okay, so I'll count myself in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I played 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. Okay, that's what I did. Now, we are going to divide our crotchets again. Okay, we're going to split them, divide them into 2 again. And if we split 4 quarters, or divide 4 quarters in half again, we get, let's count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We get 8, okay? We get 8, or eighths, eighths. And these are called quavers. Can you say quavers? Quavers. These are quavers. And these are played at twice the speed of our crotchets, okay? But because we've got to fit 8 notes into the same space of time, that is, that we were fitting all of these into. So they go by twice the speed of crotchets, okay? And let's just play it. I'm going to play from the top to there. Try and keep up and watch which notes I'm playing, okay? And we'll have a clap through in a second. So, from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Did you see how it each section of notes got faster, okay? But still fit into a bar of a whole note, which is 4 beats. But everything fell in around those 4 beats, okay? So, let's clap it now. Just put that down. We're going to clap it. The reason I did it with a recorder is because a recorder sustains a note. You cannot sustain a clap. Listen. It doesn't play for a long time, but I can clap it if I'll do the count. In fact, I'm going to put my metronome on here, which I've set up. We're going to clap from the beginning all the way to here. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, did you get that? Let's do that again. In fact, you know, let's do it again. From the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Did you get it? I'm going to play it on the recorder this time. I'm just going to play along to the metronome and hear how long the notes last for, okay? Count myself in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me press stop on that. There it is. So, just to go over that again. We have a whole note, minims, crotchets, quavers, or whole note, half notes, quarter notes, and eighth notes. Okay, and remember what I was saying about that pizza that we're cutting up into equal pieces. Okay, if you think about it like that: whole pizza, half pizza, quarter pizza, eighth pizzas.